Fundrise eREIT app. The pros, the cons. Fundrise eREIT is an app that lets investors access real estate investment trusts with relatively low starting amounts, but is it really worth it? Starting with the pros first. Accessibility. You can invest in real estate with as little as opening the door for those who don't have the capital to buy full properties. Second, diversification. Fundrise spreads your investment across multiple properties and regions, reducing risk compared to investing in a single property. Third, potential passive income. Investors receive quarterly dividends from rental income and property appreciation, offering a steady cash flow. Now, the cons. One drawback is liquidity. Unlike stocks, Fundrise investments aren't easily sold, so your money can be tied up for several years. Another limitation is fees. There's an annual management fee of around 0.85% to 1%, which can cut into overall returns. The surprising truth? Fundrise is excellent for long-term investors who want exposure to real estate without the hassle of property management, but it's not suitable for short-term needs or quick cash access. In conclusion, the pros: low barrier to entry, diversified real estate exposure, and potential passive income make Fundrise eREIT appealing for those seeking long-term growth. The cons: limited liquidity and management fees are important considerations before investing.